Sunday. Saan tayo pupunta?
Habicon.
Habicon. Ganda ng damit niyan. Bagay yung kulay. Dala na niya ang kanyang suitcase. Parang walang tao. See here?
That way there, hang a left all the way down.
Oh, cool. Nice. What stuff? What stuff? Hindi mo tayo vendor.
Libre lang mag-register.
Dapat advance.
Any favorite Pokemon?
You got any favorite Pokemon?
Bulbasaur?
Bulbasaur.
I think that looks good, right?
Yeah.
I have 2 Bulbasaurs here.
I'm kind of new to the mother set. What set is he from?
Is that from... He knows the sets better than me.
Yes.
Pretty sure this is from
151? Oh. Not actually. That's the same card I...
Are you guys looking to buy or trade?
Trade, buy, whichever. Yeah.
You guys have stuff I could look at? The Stellar Crown.
Oh, still yeah. What's your trading value for?
Depends on the card.
Everyone probably goes by and looks at it though, and never buys.
So what's your best price?
Yeah, they use one of those. That's good. Was it one star? Or was it what's the name? EP House? Yeah. He was trying to sell it to me. Is there something you want to trade for? I don't know if I take 5.
Hey, Chopper! Chopper!
Chopper.
35.
Huh?
35.
What?
35 din mo.
Okay lang yung tapos i-trade sa card. Ay, kasi One Piece.
Kasi magbubukas na lang.
Sabi sa'yo, mas mura pa naman yung One Piece. Tapos pag nakuha mo yung chase card, libo-libo.
Eh, bakit hindi yun ang binibili mo?
Kasi yung, hindi kasi ako yung, I don't know anything about One Piece.
Sige. Ganda nito.
Yan, meron na rin ako niya, binita ko yan.
Charmander pala yun. Mas naka-work yun.
So he sold one and he still has one.
It is damaged, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
probably.
damaged
All of
on
these
it.
are yellow borders.
Ang mga super food or may mga white na dito.
Yung ibang table meron. Sila lang. Oh, ayun pala. May ATM daw dito. Jackstone, malaki. Ito yung tinrade niya. Kaya nag-withdraw kami ng cash. Yeah.
They have one for him and then
What we try to do is we try to give you an honest, educated answer so that you can decide whether you want to send the card or not. Because if we say it's going to come back as
yeah. What do you have that that Gengar? Did you see yours? Is it good condition? I got one. I want to sell you. Oh, for under that. Up there for you. I like the sound. Little different, but yeah. So this is from the main deck and extra deck. This is one is from hand. So anytime you're normal, especially from hand. This is that just shows how we're apart, not. Once you get comfortable playing, I can do. Once you get comfortable playing, then you can start looking at the higher.
Market on this is 2187.
Anong tinrade in mo yan?
Yung Pikachu tsaka yung Greninja.
Pikachu? Ay, yung nakuha natin. May isang
Kailangan natin.
Butichu. Chikapu.
Gagastos tayo mga 70.
Ba't 70? Pares lang yun.
Pares lang ba kayo namin?
Yes.
Ang mura naman para mag-drive ng malayo.
Malayo ba? Eh di,
Na,
ano ba gusto mo kainin?
anything tayo.
Dito na kami sa Pinoy restaurant.
Yeah.
6 minutes away lang sa holiday. Huh?
Ano pang gusto ko?
Gulaman lang tsaka Paris. Sarap.
Late pa, hindi pinipan.
Hindi ganun kainin. Hinipan mo na ata.
Sarap.
Kain ka na dyan. Baka hindi ko na makain yung food ko.
Chocolate. Yan, chocolate yan.
Sarap to, may talong.
Sa'yo ba, Calamares?
Kanya ko. Sa amin dalawa. May calamaris tayo, di ba?
Tutusan ko. Dito daw, wala kang
Sa iba nyo lang. Okay lang po.
Akala ko naman meron kami noon kaya hindi ko tinignan yung ano eh. Ayan pa.
Ay, kung ano nilagay ng buto sa gilid yan nilagay.
May sabaw ka ba?
Oo, may lumpia pala.
Ay, pag pinigilan mo ito, ayaw. Diba? Ninang naman. Eto, dali mo makakain ng barbecue.
Yan din. Sabi yung parcel.
Malapot mo. Matabang.
Sige, pa dito.
Beans are us. Ooh! Pangkat to ng ano ah. Ay, walang blade. Layo na niya. Ay, may damit din. Ay, laki. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. Headset. What's this? Ay, how cute. Tingnan mo to. May lain ng sa'yo.
Esguiarados.
Gyarados. Oh, may Crocs. Pink. Size 9. Oh no! Phone. Baliktad. Ah, wala yung ano lang.
Just a band.
Yeah, what's this? Brace. A pillow. Cash register.
Wall-mounted floating shelf.
What's that?
Wall mount.
Oh! Nalagyan ng Pokemon. Magkano kaya? Hindi pa siya bukas. Ito, pang cash. Ay, hindi. Ano ba nakalagay? Pang battery. Sige.
Hindi ka ba nawawasyong?
Diyan kami galing. Uwi na
Vape?
ba tayo? Ay, hindi, beans are us.
Vape?
Nasaan na yung vape?
Wala na yun, luma na yan.
Vape. Libre ka ba? Uwi na kami. Manonood pa siya ng Blue Jays.
Yeah!
5-3 na yung score. Bilaman ko yan.
Ba't kita pa rin ako? Kala ko nasa side ako. What the hell? Grabe namang wide angle yan.
Wide na yan. Wala pa yung wide lens. Hindi ko na dinadala yung wide lens. Baka kasi biglang mahulog na naman eh.